Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting a sharp photo and opening Telegram. If you have OCR in your client, tap the image, then choose Copy Text or Extract Text. That sends the image to Telegram's internal engine. If not, add an OCR bot. Search for a reputable bot name, tap Start, and allow it to receive the image. Make sure permissions for attachments are enabled. Once done, you'll be ready to send the image to the chosen OCR path and get text back. Now send the image. For a bot, attach the photo to the bot chat and press send. For built-in OCR, open the photo in chat and choose the extraction command from the context menu. If the tool asks for language, pick the dominant language in the image to improve accuracy. Processing may take a few seconds to a minute depending on image size and server load. Once the text appears, read through it immediately and note any garbled words to correct in the next step. Finish by copying the extracted text into your destination, chat, notes, or a document, and clean up formatting and punctuation. If the output has errors, crop tightly around text, boost contrast in an editor, or retake the photo at higher resolution and resend. These small fixes often solve recognition mistakes. If results are still poor, try a different OCR bot or export the image as PNG instead of JPG. One troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.